Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sadhna Gosain and today I'm gonna make a video on my top favorite fragrances and deodorant. I'm gonna review on the fragrances and deodorant. It just comes under 500 rupees. It's very affordable. And why I'm making the video on the fragrances and deodorant, because I spend a lot of money on the fragrance and deodorant a lot. You can call me a fragrance and perfume nerd. I really love the fragrance and I really adore it. So let's just get started. So the first fragrance I'm having, this is from Yardley. This is Yardley London Mates. It's in body spray, and let me tell you guys, this is one of my favorite fragrances. And actually it's kind of floral, it's kind of woody, it's kind of musky kind of notes. It's also have the sandalwood kind of notes. This is a very great fragrance for the daily uses. I really adore this one, and this is exactly feels like vintage. It exactly feels like a vintage, that vintage London kind of feelings it gives to me. It is a really nice, refreshing body spray, and it's very good to use in a summery day if you sweat a lot. This is a very great fragrance for you guys. I love this one. Like, you should definitely go for this one. This is amazing to worth of the price. I really like this one a lot. So if you're looking for something refreshing, floral, and something like musky or something like sandalwood, something kind of fragrance, this is a very nice fragrance. I somehow feels like this is similar to Eva Sweet, and it feels like that is similar to Eva Sweet, but it's a really nice fragrance. So if you're looking for something vintage kind of notes of fragrances, this is a very good deal for you. Longevity of the fragrance is around 2 to 3 hours because it's a deodorant, and it will cost you around 190 rupees. The next fragrance I'm having, this is from Envy. This is Envy Blush, and you can see already that I've used almost this much. This is what I like about this fragrance. I'll recommend you this one as well, because this is kind of the rosy kind of notes. It exactly smells like rose and floral. It's almost a floral fragrance, and let me tell you guys how exactly smells like. So if you can imagine, like, if you're going in a flower boutique, in a rose flower boutique, there's almost rose out there, and the shopkeeper just spraying the water on the roses. That's how it smells like. That it smells like a very fresh kind of roses. Actually, I really adore this one as well. The longevity of this one 4 to 5 hours, and the retailing price of this one 250 rupees, but I get it from Amazon in 178 rupees. Having this is from Engage Pocket Perfume. I hope you can see that clearly. This is floral fresh. Let me tell you guys, when I bought this one, firstly, it really smells really floral. I really like it so much. It really smells like Pond's pink powder if you use it back then. This is one of my favorite perfume and collection in my this one. I really like this one. I really adore this one. The notes it having, this is kind of rose, this is kind of blend of floral notes, kind of pepper, kind of citrus kind of note it's having. It is very ideal to use at work if you're going for a work, and it is very ideal for the summery and hot humid days when you feel very sweaty. It really helps you to smell great in the sweaty time. So I really use it in the summery day, in a hot humid weather. The longevity of this one is around 5 hours, and you will get it the retailing price around 60 rupees. Very affordable. Moving on to the next one I'm having, this is from Miss Diva Fashionista. It's written over here that absolutely delicious. I really love this fragrance. When I bought this one, it smells so nice to me. The notes is having, it's like vanilla, it's coconut, and it's very the jasmine fragrance in this one. What I really love about this fragrance, that is having the blend of coconut, vanilla, and kind of pumpkin kind of fragrance. So it's very hard to find the coconut kind of mixture of the fragrance in the market. So I got my hands on this from this Amazon. It's very ideal to use on a daily basis. You can use it for the work hours, you can use to go any outing. It's a very great choice for you. It really smells delicious. How exactly smells like? So basically it exactly smells like a cake. Yes, like it feels like you're going in a bakery, and in a bakery, a baker using some kind of coconut, a mix of coconut, vanilla, and chocolate cake. That how it exactly smells like. I really love this fragrance, and it's very cost effective. This one is stay around 3 to 4 hours, and the retailing price of this one 450 rupees, but I get it from Amazon 359 rupees. The next one I'm having from, this is from Engage. This is Engage Sweet Blossom, and it's a pocket perfume, and it smells really divine. I actually like it so much. This is having the mandarin kind of notes. It's also have the musky notes, also cedar wood, and some of the floral notes. It's kind of citrusy notes as well. This is perfect choice for day and night, and if you're looking for a summery days and for the daily wear, this is a very good choice for you to go for this one. I really like it much, and I really going to recommend you all that who's looking for something very unique kind of fragrance. It's a very good choice for go for the Engage Pocket Perfume. This is something I really adore, and I really love this fragrance. You should go for this, guys. This is one of my favorite one from my collection. I really like this one so much. This one is seems like a Engage pink one, and it also stay on a body 5 hours, and the cost of this one same is 60 rupees for 18 hours. So the next one again from the Yardley. This is Yardley English Lavender, and let me tell you guys, I personally don't like it much because I thought to give it a try the lavender fragrance, and in a first split or in a first spray I feel like somehow this is kind of more of the lavender oil, and it smells like the kala hit for me, so I don't like it very much in the first place. But if you like the lavender fragrances, this is a very nice and unique fragrance for you guys. Like lavender lover can go for this one. Like in the first spray it won't it needs some time to melt on your body, so it will take some time to melt on your body, and if you really like the lavender one, you can go for this one. But those who don't like lavender and don't like the strong fragrances, I won't recommend you this one. Also, I don't like it much because I don't feel somehow in the as per the lavender is a kind of good fragrance for me. So for me it's a big no. But if you like the lavender fragrances, it's a very good choice for you to go for one, and it just needs some time to settle on your body. In a first spray you don't smell good, but after some time when it smells on your body, it will smells really great on your body. Longevity of this one is exactly like Yardley London Mist, and it will around 2 to 3 hours, and it will the retailing price of this one is around 190 rupees, but I got it around from Flipkart 136 rupees. Moving on to the next one I'm having, this is from Ramson, You're So Sweet, You're Sweet actually. This is EDP, this Eau de perfume. I really love this one. I name it Paradise. Yes, it's in kind of paradise. It's in like the oriental, very paradise kind of fragrance, very exotic kind of fragrance. The notes is floral, but it's very exotic floral notes. It smells like to me very exotic. And if you ever tried the Ramson Exotica, yes, it definitely smells like that. It's kind of similar to that, but not exactly similar. But there's some kind of difference between Ramson Exotica and Ramson You're Sweet. It's a kind of updated version of the Ramson Exotica, somehow I feel that. So if you're looking for something the very pocket friendly one, so you can go for this one. This is good for the very perfect occasion if you're going for any party, any occasion, like for marriage occasion, for the anniversaries. This is a very great choice for you. I really love this one. This is one of the favorite of mine. I recently bought this bottle, and this is how bottle looks like. It's very sweet and cute bottle. It's over here, and it's a very great choice for you guys if you're looking for something unique. This is very unique actually. This is unique than every outdoor fragrance I've till then I've shown you. This is my favorite one. I don't want to run out of this one, although it's not much of costly, and a very nice fragrance in the exotic, very paradise kind of fragrance, very oriental. So if you're looking for something oriental, this is a very perfect choice for you. This is the last fragrance of my one, You're So Sweet. This one quite longer. It will stay 7 to 8 hours, and the retailing price of this one around 140 rupees. So that's all for today, guys. So hope you like my video, and if you enjoyed my video, so do give it a subscribe and do share with your friends. I also put all the fragrances in the description link below, so you can check it out over there. Be safe and be happy. Bye bye.